Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Conain. This video is going to be entirely about the Zudio makeup haul. I got around everything from scratch in around 1300 rupees. So I'm going to do an entire makeup look for you. Yeah, I've been doing content full time for a year now and I post like 3 times a week. I try to post at least 3 times a week. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, lots of love. Let's get into it. सबसे पहले we'll start with prepping the skin. तो हम पहले बेस करेंगे मेकअप का एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल डू सम मेकअप या दिस बेस इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज दैट एंड सम habits about which we will talk in the next video have really helped me clear my acne scars and really given me a very healthy plump looking skin. So I've double cleansed my face with the Clean and Clear face wash and now we're applying the Face Shop toner. This toner is very moisturizing on the skin. I really like to just apply it and keep it for 30 seconds or so. After which I got this serum by Dr. Su. It's called the Exo Plum Party Exosome Hyaluronic Acid and Copper Peptide Serum. It's 30 ml and I got this as a gift. This इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. लाइक मैंने इसको 1 महीने के लिए ट्राई किया है एंड मेरे को ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया ये प्रोडक्ट. इट हैज़ रियली वर्कड वंडर्स फॉर माई स्किन. देन आई विल गो इन विद दिस रेक्विल मॉइस्चराइज़र. इसको मैं ट्रैवल करने के लिए राजस्थान लेके गई थी तो पूरा मेकअप इसके ऊपर लग गया है. इट जस्ट लुक्स सो पैथेटिक बट या दैट्स द प्राइस यू पे. आई टेक अ वेरी लिटिल अमाउंट बिकॉज दिस इज़ वेरी थिक. आई डोंट यूजुअली लाइक थिक मॉइस्चराइजर्स बट this really works for my skin. It really leaves a very hydrated finish. I feel very moisturized after I apply this, so that's the only thick moisturizer that I have. Then we go in with this Sunscoop sunscreen. It's a spray on sunscreen. It's a face and a body sunscreen as well. So I just take like 3 to 4 pumps of it. It's very liquid. It's my purchase. It's not gifted. It's not paid. I really love to use this sunscreen on my face and neck. I also apply sunscreen like 3 to 4 times in a day. One in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in late evening, and one before I go to bed. Because I truly believe that sunscreen changes your skin health at all times. It's not like कि sun है तो ही sunscreen लगाना है. You should always have sunscreen on because if you can see there's light and if there's light there is SPF का need. So now that we're done with this, we are going to start with this Zudio Hydrate Primer. It has glycerine and vitamin E and this is for 149 rupees. It's, yeah. I am not perfect in my skincare or makeup routines. I am just showing you. I'm not a professional, right? So yeah, of course, I'm not going to be perfect. But I'm just showing you what has worked for me or what I have been doing with my skin. I have a little bit of an oily, acne-prone skin. So I really am trying to control the acne and have a more healthier looking skin. So yeah, this is that. Once we're done with the primer, I'm going to go in with the color corrector. This color corrector is by K Beauty. ये मेरे पास पहले से था, so I really did not feel like getting a new one. And I just take like 2 to 3 drops under eye for this particular color corrector because it is so highly pigmented. And yeah, you just let it sit there and dab a little bit. Yeah, as the name implies, it helps with correction of the color. So कहीं कहीं पे आपके पास hyperpigmentation होता है, कहीं कहीं पे hypopigmentation होता है. तो just plainly applying like one foundation doesn't help because hypopigmentation के ऊपर वो बहुत लाइट हो जाएगा. हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन के ऊपर अगर आप डायरेक्टली लगा दोगे तो वो ग्रेइंग हो जाएगी. सो दैट लीव्स अ वेरी केकी, वेरी unfinished look. So this is the concealer from Zudio. It is priced at 199 rupees. I'm just going to try this out. It's in the shade Concealer Vanilla. Few dots under the eye. Oh my god. Yeah. A few dots under the eye. Few on the forehead and some near the mouth. I really like this beauty blender. This is also from Zudio. It was for around 79-80 rupees. It's very soft. It has a perfect edge to blend in everything that you want. So आई लव टू डू मेकअप. मतलब मैं बचपन से मेकअप करने का मेरे को बहुत शौक रहा है एंड इसका जो स्किल सेट है इसको इम्प्रूव करने में भी मेरे को इतना मज़ा आता है. लाइक भाई अलग अलग चीज़ें, अलग अलग टेक्निक सीखने में, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो पेंट. तो पेंटिंग एंड आर्टिस्ट्री लाइक लिटरली रन्स इन द ब्लड. और बस मतलब when the colors work out, when the little things work out, it just makes you feel so happy. Like, yeah. Now we're going to go in with this contour that is by She Glam, and this is at the price I think 350 or something. It's really pigmented. So I'm just going to take 2 dots for my nose so that I get this nice sharp nose. अगर आप shadow बनाओगे तो of course ये side dark हो जाएगा, फिर आपकी nose sharp लगेगी. That's how this works. And if you want like a little bit of a jawline, so I'm going to do that. I have like chubby cheeks and a little bit of an overbite, and I don't want to correct it, so contour it is. What I do for contour is very simple. I just smudge it like this from the inner corners of the eye to the tip of my nose, and this leaves like a very nice standing nose. And yeah, and this is what I do for the jaws. Again, I'm telling you, these are not the techniques that I've learned from professionals, and neither am I a professional. This is just something that I've learned from YouTube videos and something that has worked a little bit for me abhi tak. So yeah, look at that. This is so good. Now we're going to go in with this Puck blush by Zudio. It is at the price 200, and it's in the shade Petal Pop. It's a creamy blush, and इसमें मेरा nail लग गया था गलती से कल. We're going to ignore that. I'm just going to dab the beauty blender directly into this because it's very creamy. And फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाया है. डैम, आई फॉरगॉट अबाउट द फाउंडेशन. सो या, आई फेल्ट लाइक फाउंडेशन नहीं लेती हूँ जूडियो से बिकॉज मेरा शेड मैच भी नहीं मिल रहा था और उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी सही नहीं लग रही थी. सो आई हैव दिस फेस बेस्ड फाउंडेशन. इसका मतलब शेड करेक्टली मैच नहीं है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक लाइक अ लिटिल ड्रॉप ऑफ फाउंडेशन. आई हैव टू बाय फाउंडेशन डू. सो या, वी आर गोइंग टू टेक लिटिल बिट ऑफ फाउंडेशन एंड अप्लाई इट ऑन द चीक्स, सम ऑन द नोज, so that वो ऐसे एकदम शाइन करेगा, हाईलाइट करेगा. A little bit on the forehead. We're going to dab it all with our fingers. Yeah. I'm doing the entire makeup looking in the camera, okay? मतलब मैं बिना मिरर के कर रही हूँ. एंड में हम मिरर में चेक करेंगे. Now we're going to go in with some blush. Look at that color, it's so pretty. थोड़ा और लेना पड़ेगा for the other side. Yeah. Yeah, such a pretty color. Like, look. I'll do some on the nose as well. Oh. Yeah, dude, I really love it. Hey, pretty. This is so pretty. Let's go. Just, yeah. Now all that is left to do is bake this with some baking powder, and I'm using Swiss Beauty ka banana loose powder. This is priced at I think 300 200 rupees. I think I got this for 250 or something from Amazon, and I'm just going to take some on my palm. A little goes a long way, so I have taken so much. I'm going to dust off some, apply first in my neck, because, and then we're going to go up. So we're going to cover the T-zone a little bit. We want a nice glowy, dewy finish as well. We're going to keep that. And now it's time for some mascara and some lipstick and some lip gloss. So let's get into it. Oh, I totally forgot about highlighter. So this is rose gold. This is Cheeky Shine highlighter in the shade rose gold, and this is at the price. What's the price? I think this is for 200 something. I'm not sure. You can just check once. And it comes in a stick format. It looks something like this. And let me try it out for you. So yeah, see, lovely sheen. And some on the nose. Pretty. Some again on the cheekbones on the other side. Some on the chin, some on the forehead. And yeah, voila, looks beautiful. Yeah, now we're going to go in with this mascara. This is volumizing and lengthening mascara by Zudio, and this was for around 200 rupees, I think. Yeah, I am not going to open my mouth while I put mascara. I'm rather going to talk and prevent touching my cornea. Just be careful with that, because then I will tend to close my eyes, and we don't want that. And we're going to do this on the other side. Yeah, I know. I need to do my eyebrows. It's been a long time since I've done it. Oh my god, they look so pretty. It's not clumping at all. Oh, it's clumping a little bit. Not clumping, volumizing and lengthening. Looks good. Now we're going to go in with some lipstick. This is Cloud Kiss by Zudio, enriched with vitamin E in the shade Rose Kiss, and it is matte. This was for around 200 rupees again, I think. Okay, so that's it. That is the look, and I think it has all come together really well. It's looking really cute, and I'll let you know how my skin feels after using this makeup. I'm not going to use it a lot, and actually my mic died, so I'm just going to give a voiceover, and I forgot to mention that earlier. But yeah, this really is looking very cute on me. I'm not applying kajal these days because I just don't feel like it. And this is a complimentary perfume I got after shopping from Westside. It smells really good. It's quite popular, and yeah, it has a lot of bergamot and vanilla musk and these kind of notes. I really like to have good perfumes on me ever since a child. So yeah, this is something I'm really looking forward to as maybe a hobby someday. I don't know. I'm very proud of the entire look. Okay, if this was something that you enjoyed, let me know, and I'll do more makeup hauls and more of the similar stuff. And yeah, see you in the next one. Lots of love. Bye bye. Look at that skin, look at that hair. Everything is just coming together so well. Yeah, I'm going. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. Yeah.